So I was in the arboriculture industry for a few years, and I saw this program. I heard about it when I took ODA about 5 years ago, and really interested me, and I got into the industry, worked it for a few years, but you can't learn the skills you learn in this program on the job site in a year. So it really packs everything in, and you learn a lot of skills in such a short period of time. So it's been really physically demanding. I'm a bigger guy and I lost a lot of weight coming in this program. But you don't even notice it. You're having a lot of fun climbing the trees and learning a bunch of new skills. And you realize you get better at the end of it when you see your times in the separate tests. Like, it was taking me over 20 minutes to do the big test, and then at the end of the semester it only took me 10. So you really see the change in your physical ability. The biggest thing that stood out to me was being able to use all the machinery and all these different skills in such a short period of time. Like, we went from using chainsaws to massive stump grinders into a massive bucket truck and learning how to rappel out of that bucket truck. So there's a lot crammed in, and you get to see a lot of different parts of the industry. I'd say if you want to be in the outdoors and do something you love, this is the program for it. It really shows you and makes you really like trees and want to learn about trees. When I came in, I wasn't much of a book reader or anything, but when I got into the industry, I really wanted to learn about trees and how they grew.